Good morning, everybody. This is Mr. Hershey for your work on Tuesday, April 28, 2020. Before we start, you can always reach me at jasonhershey2013@gmail.com or whershey@steelacademyedu.org. All right, so a couple things to keep in mind. Remember, a positive and a positive always equals a positive. Negative and a negative always equals a positive. Positive and a negative and a positive always equal, and that says positive, and that should be a negative because we already know that. So a negative, okay? So what we're doing today scaffolds or builds upon what we did yesterday, okay? So if you remember what we did yesterday, we did the finding which expressions are equivalent to each other, okay? So we did 2 pages of those, okay? So today we are going to do adding and subtracting rational numbers. And basically what we're doing is we're just adding and subtracting, but we're going to have to pay attention to these signs right here on whether it's going to be add or subtract, okay? So we look at the first one. It's 2 minus negative 73. So we know a negative and a negative, if we come over here, negative and a negative equals a positive. So we can rewrite this one as 2 plus 73. We know that 73 plus 2 is 75, okay? So let's try another one here, okay? So 39 plus negative 20.4, okay? Positive and a negative. We know a positive and a negative equals a negative. So this is 39 minus 20.4, okay? So 39 minus 20.4. Okay, so we know, and you would subtract this, you would go 20.4, you can write 39.0, 4 minus 0, you got to borrow, okay, so 10 minus 4 is 6, 8 minus 0 is 8, 3 minus 2 is 1, okay, so your answer is 18.6, all right, so that's how you do that, okay. Number 3, I'll give you a minute to look at it, okay? 67.06, okay? 67.086 minus negative 20. We know from over here that a negative and a negative equals a positive. So we're going to rewrite this one as 67.086 plus 20, and we can write the ones after 20. You can write so that they're all so that you have the same spaces in each 0.000. Okay, so adding 680.78, so 87.086. Okay, and we'll do one more. So 60 plus negative 19, okay? We know a positive and a negative equals a negative. So we're going to rewrite that as 60 minus 19, okay? You can't take 0 away from 9 or 9 away from 0, so you make that a 10. You borrow 1 from over here, so makes that 5. 10 minus 9 is 1. 5 minus 4, or 5 minus 1 is 4. So your answer is 41, okay? So you're going to do that for 5 all the way through 20, okay? So you're just paying attention to these signs here, okay? Change it based on your graph, okay? And then solve the problem. Then you have a second page today. You're doing the same thing. Pay attention to the signs, okay? Negative and a negative equals a positive. Very good. Positive. See, this one doesn't change. It's only one sign. Positive and a negative is a negative. Very good. Positive and a negative is a, we just did it. It's a negative. Good job. So you're just going to do that. Try to show your work over here, but I got you if you don't. Really, I'm more concerned with you being able to switch these signs back and forth and play play with that ability to do that, okay? I want to remind you guys of one thing. So tomorrow, Wednesday, April 29th at 10 o'clock, there's a 6th grade Zoom meeting. 10:20, there's a 7th grade Zoom. And at 10:40, there's an 8th grade Zoom, okay? So remember, keep that in mind. I will send you guys out an email today reminding you about it, okay? So get the work done. This will be up on Google Classroom. I will also have a copy of the work in the comments of the Facebook video, okay? All right, be good, be safe. I will talk to you guys soon. 7th grade, I'm going to continue to make calls today. If I didn't get to hear from you yesterday or leave a message, you're going to get a call from me today, okay? All right, have fun. Later, guys.